how to buy stuff with coins on AliExpress. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can buy stuff with coins on AliExpress. But before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your AliExpress. So let me just leave this from here and go to the normal page. So there we go. So this is my homepage from AliExpress. Now, if you want to buy stuff from coins, you'll find this coin option right here. You'll find the coins button. Tap on that and it'll take you to this another page. After you navigate to coins like this, you will see different stuff available. Simply select whatever you want to buy. So from here, coins can actually provide you with some, coins will provide you with some discounts available. There you can see your coins on the top and how much it amounts to. So you can simply go ahead and start buying it. Now, if you have enough coins, you can also get some items free. I don't have enough coins, but you can see that I do get some discount from the coin right here. So I can just go ahead and place the order, tap on buy now. And after I tap on buy now, let me just select that. And if I go to buy now, you will see how much I've saved due to the coins. And yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's how you buy stuff with coins on AliExpress. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.